Invictus complete scooter, stunt scooter, professional scooter for any age rider. Pro scooters for kids and adults. Pro scooter deck and wheels. Hi, welcome my friend. All route industries, pro scooters and products are super lightweight while remaining durable and maintaining a sleek, attractive design. This lightweight design allows for much easier track execution and more stable scooter control. Anyone can unbox and ride in minutes. The Root Industries Lithium and Invictus Complete BMX scooter is 90% assembled at unboxing. The remaining assembly is a quick handlebar install. All Root Industries scooters products carry with them an extended warranty. No matter the issue, we will make things right where they may be wrong. Just let us know. Ultra-wide 110mm by 30mm air wheels with famously fast Epic 11 bearings, high tensile axles, high quality nylon brake, forged Invictus forks, aluminum handlebars, head tube angle, 2mm concave super smooth air headset. These are trick scooters for kids 8 years and up and is a beginner scooter to advanced. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.